So you have elected for a high-level review, but there's a couple of things that you need to understand. One, if you look at the pro tip down below, it states if you submit new evidence, it will not be considered, and you have 365 days from the date of notification to file a disagreement. Again, 365 days from the date of notification, not the date of the rating decision. When you receive the packet in the mail, you get two documents. You get a notification letter and you receive a rating decision. What they're saying, count the 365 days from the notification letter, not the rating decision. And you can submit new evidence, but the VA will tell you that they will not consider it. Make sure you read the instructions on the VA Form 20-0996 that explains any additional evidence that was not part of the claim at the time the claim was adjudicated will not be considered.